Hello, take a look. It's a jaguar, one of the most impressive, gorgeous animal uh, into the Pantanal of the middle of Brazil. And tomorrow, I will be going there. Take many pictures of this animal, the jaguar. Okay? Enjoy with me to the trip, to the journey, and stay cool.